Hi, we're Donny and Anna. We have 5 children, love spending time together as a family and learning new skills. 3 years ago, we fell in love with and purchased 46 acres not far from our home, with a dream of building a small farm and home there that we began working toward one project at a time. The first of which was to clear all of the overgrown brush and get the first 300 feet of driveway in. The main logistical challenge about our property is that it rests on a north-facing slope and is far from flat. We quickly realized that our best potential build site was not going to be in the open area. It would be in the fully wooded space just above our field. But to get this area level, it was going to require a nearly 20-foot cut at its steepest point. So far, this project has been a labor of love as it's required much patience, time, and energy. In order to accomplish this project, we purchased an excavator, rented 2 bulldozers, as well as several mini excavators. While we are far from done, we can honestly say that without the help of God and our family, we would not be where we are today. While our journey may not be a fast one, we hope you guys like, subscribe, and stick around for the ride.
Now that we have our future build site leveled, we're going to start sheeping in the driveway and working on our front lawn area.
Now that we have the basic shape of the pad in place, the rest of the week focus is mainly finesse work, as well as getting the topsoil back over so we can seed, which is going to be so exciting.
We are incredibly thankful to have had the help of Donny's brother, his uncle, and his parents. We would not have been able to accomplish this project without them. Now we're going to start building up the driveway with some bank run.
So yesterday we pushed out 13 truckloads of bank run gravel on the driveway as a base, and today we're going to top that with crusher run.
Time to put the topsoil back over. We are so thankful to my parents for giving us all this beautiful hay so that we could seed and get grass growing quickly.
build a house and have us congregate this summer. So we're almost up here on this here right now, and we have Big Muskie up here, of course. That's Big Muskie over there. Hug him around, hug him around, hug him up the sky.